Hey folks, welcome back to yet another video with me. Hope you are up for a new video log. Today we have a guest for my video that is none other than my pet dog Ace. He required a long due nature walk, so today I take him on an adventure to a forest nearby. Adventure because he loves exploring the nature and new areas around him. And by the way, every time he goes for these forest walks, either the big dogs disturb him or he disturbs the smaller dogs. Guess what happened this time? Rather, just watch the full video to see what happened with Ace in the forest today. And by the way, do not miss out Ace's dance choreographies. There are many bits of his choreographies you will encounter in this video. So watch the video till the end without fail. You sure do not want to miss those dances. This tiny dog Ace can walk very long distances very skillfully. It's after finishing the whole walk is when he realizes that his short legs really became tired. After the 5-kilometer walk, he just snoozes off in a silent zone in the home until next morning. Do not miss out the part of this video where I show you what is the actual meaning of beating around the bush. This place is so beautiful and serene. There is no one around and you can find your peaceful space in this zone. There was a time two huge dogs tried to kill him. They were so huge, they were totally hanging over him. They almost attacked me too. Luckily, the dog's owner could control those two huge dogs. Then, after the dogs went away far, Ace was barking fiercely at them just because he was sure that they were nowhere in his sight or nowhere around him. Alright, see you. That same black dog visited Ace 3 times in his rounds, and all the 3 times Ace was very scared to death. This guy was continuously checking if that dog is still around in his space. Ace, Ace. Ace, come here, come here. Come back, come back. Come, come. He came back to his safe zone. He feels safe with me, so he's sitting on my lap and wondering if the big guy is still around him. Look at the worried look on his face. He knows he has to protect himself and also me there. Isn't this why dogs are considered more loyal than humans? That way. Abba, what is this, Ace? You'll come behind me like that. How will I remove you from the tree? Hi. Ace, no, you don't come behind me. No. He's coming. He's coming.
Ace doesn't want to play. You're scaring him. Hey, Ace. You're a good god, dog. Ain't no coming near mommy. Okay, see you.
Alright, see you.
Bye. We're gone, Ace.
He's gone, he's gone. He's left. He's left.
You have the whole to yourself. Okay, see you.
See you, see you. Same here. What is it? What is it? There's no dog. Ace. Ace. There's no dog. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. We go? We go now? We go want to go home? We want to go home? Is it? You're worried. You're worried the dog will come again. The dog went away. going there? Come. Come, we are going this way. Come, we're going this way. Hoping you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to Creative Kiosk for more content later. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get immediate notifications of my future video. Thank you for watching.